come your way to review two-dimensional shapes. Before Easter break, we were talking about the square, rectangle, circle, triangle, and hexagon. And we were identifying these shapes based on their vertices, which are corners, and their sides. So I have some cute little fun poems we're going to read to help you review about the two-dimensional shapes. Here's Sammy the Square. Sammy Square is my name. My four sides are just the same. Turn me around, I don't care. I'm always the same. I'm Sammy the Square. So if you notice the sides to the square, there's four and they're equal. And if you look at the vertices with me, the vertex, if you remember, is where those two lines meet, and these are the vertices. There's also four vertices to Sammy the Square. Ricky Rectangle. Ricky Rectangle is my name. My four sides are not the same. Two are short and two are long. Count my sides, come right along. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you notice that Ricky Rectangle, guys, he has two longer sides and he also has two shorter sides. So that's different than the square. The four sides to a square are equal, but in a rectangle they are not. Two are long and two are short. So this is Ricky the Rectangle. Here's Tommy Triangle. Tommy Triangle. I'm Tommy Triangle. Look at me. Count my sides. 1, 2, 3. And if you also count the vertices with me, you're going to notice that the triangle also has 1, 2, 3 vertices. Susie Circle. I'm Susie Circle. I'm happy as can be. I go round and round. Can you draw me? Remember, boys and girls, the circle has no vertices, no corners, and it also has no sides. So it has 0 vertices and 0 sides. It just goes round and round. The hexagon, boys and girls, unfortunately, I do not have a rhyme or a poem with this, but if you remember, the hexagon has 6 vertices or corners, and it also has 6 equal sides, okay? So if you want to count with me, the vertices first. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if we counted the sides together, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is a hexagon. We're going to just play a little game of objects in my house, and I will scan and send this to your parents. These are smaller cards. This is Sammy the Square. This is Tommy the Triangle, Susie Circle, and Ricky Rectangle. And what you're going to do with these cards, when you see an object that Mrs. Clown holds up, you're going to see which card that my object is. Is it Susie the Circle? Is it Ricky the Rectangle? Is it Tommy the Triangle? Or is it Sammy the Square? Again, I don't have a rhyme for the hexagon, but there's not many things in my house, at least, that are hexagons, okay? So a lot of these objects will be on these basic shapes that we've talked about and reviewed, and you can recall that I can identify them based on their number of vertices, which are corners, and their sides, all right? So here we go. Here comes my first item. This is a piece of cheese. I had it in my fridge. What do you guys think? Who is this? Is this Ricky Rectangle, Sammy the Circle? Is it Tommy the Triangle? Which one is it? It's the square. There you go. The square, boys and girls. This piece of cheese is the same as this shape. It's a square. It has 4 equal sides and it has 4 vertices. Okay. Sammy the Square. What's his name, right? Sammy. All right. So let's move on to another one. How about this? This is one of my little chips to a Tokino game that we like to play in my family. Do you guys know what shape this is? Who would this be? Look at your cards. Who would this be? You guys got it. It's Susie the Circle. Susie the Circle has 0 vertices and it also has 0 sides. Awesome job, guys. How about this shape? I guess you guys might know what this is. This is to a Jenga game. Let's look at the the face of this flat surface here, if you look at this, what shape is this? Would it be Tommy the triangle? Would it be Sammy the square, Susie the circle, or Ricky the rectangle? Which card do you want to show me? Very good. It's Ricky the rectangle. Look, the rectangle could still be positioned this way. It doesn't matter how you turn it. If it has four sides, 2 are short and 2 are long, and it has 4 vertices, this is still a rectangle. But if you notice, see if I stand it tall, it almost looks identical, right? You can see that it has 2 shorter sides at the top and bottom, and it has 2 longer sides. So this is Ricky the rectangle. Good job, guys. How about this little charger plate that I have? I use it sometimes for fancy dinners. Not always, not every day, but it's my gold charger plate. What do you guys think? What shape is this? Which character would you show me? Awesome job. It's Susie the circle. It has 0 vertices and it has 0 sides. Great job, guys. What do you guys think? My napkin. What character would this be? My white napkin. Look at the sides. Look at the corners. What do you notice about the sides? Awesome job. It's Sammy the square. The sides are equal. There's 4, and it has 4 vertices. Great job, guys. Sammy the square it is. Let's see. How about, this is another food that we love in my house. Hold on a minute. I'm going to take it out. Kids like these for breakfast. What do you guys think? If I hold up the bagel here, let's look at the shape of it. I'll show you the back. So what do you guys think? It goes round and round. Which character shape would you hold up? Would it be Ricky the rectangle, Tommy the triangle, Sammy the square? It's Susie the circle. Good job, guys. It has 0 sides and 0 vertices. Awesome. Let's see. I think what I want to show you is, I have one. Another cereal in my house. So if we look at the box and we look at this shape right here, what shape is this, boys and girls? Look at the sides and look at the number of vertices it has. Are all these sides equal? They're not all equal. If you notice, my Cheerio box has 2 longer sides and it has 2 shorter sides. So this would be Ricky the rectangle. Awesome job. I have to hold on and show you one more thing, but I have to move my camera. So be patient, because the other thing I want to show you is something that Leah made in Boy Scouts, but it's got a couple different shapes in there that we can talk about. So give me 2 seconds. All right, guys, I want to show you. All right, this is his birdhouse that he actually painted for Boy Scouts. So I wanted to try to review with you. This has a couple different shapes. So let's look at the little hole in the birdhouse here. What shape is this? This is Susie the circle. Good job, guys. How about let's look at the roof of this house. What do you guys think? If I was to just look at the roof of this house, look at the number of sides, okay, and let's look at the vertices. What do you guys think? That is Tommy the triangle. This roof, boys and girls, is triangular. So if I turned it on the side, you would see it has 3 vertices and it has those 3 sides. And we can even just close it like that. That would be its other side. Okay? How about this shape right here? What do you guys think? What shape is this? It's got 4 sides and it's got 4 vertices. But what do you notice about those 4 sides? Awesome job, guys. It is Ricky the rectangle. It's got 4 sides. 2 are short, 2 are long. Awesome job. Let's turn this around one more time and see, can I see any other shapes? Let's look at the side of this that he painted, the side of the birdhouse here. What shape is this, boys and girls? This is also Ricky the rectangle. It's got 4 sides, 2 are short and 2 are long. Awesome job today helping me. I hope you had a good time reviewing shapes and learning these fun rhymes. I will scan these over to your parents, and you guys can continue playing at home, going on a scavenger hunt, seeing the shapes of things in your house. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.